Hi, welcome to this week's Q&A. Steve isn't here today, so today we are using and having
Kendall Morgan.
And I'm Christy Brown, as everybody always knows. So we got some good questions today. So I'm going to start off, and one is, can any machine be configured for use in Europe? Absolutely. We can make it 380 volt, 220 volt, 60 hertz, 50 hertz. There's so many configurations that we can make your machine. We're all over the world in 171 countries, I believe, and I don't think there's a country that we're not in yet. There's probably a few very remote ones. But yeah, we could definitely make any machine just for you.
Okay, my question is, how do you know if your gate springs need to be replaced? Well, this is something you have to feel. It's on the gate handle, so when you move that gate handle up and down, you're going to start feeling that loose tension in the gate handle. That is a good determination that you need to replace your gate springs. Every once in a while you'll get leaking out of the gate as well, so you need to keep an eye on that.
Good question. Did you want to show them the gate springs?
Yes, I have gate springs here, and they're shaped like this. They go into the machine this way, and this holds the tension on the door. See how tough that is to move? So when you start feeling like your gate handle is getting loose, it's time to replace these.
Very good, very good. So you're probably going to need to pause this and get yourself a pen and paper, because this is a little bit of math for you. How do you calculate how many servings are in a 3-gallon tub? So I'll go a little slower. So there's 128 ounces in 1 gallon. 128 ounces times 3 gallons equals 384 ounces. 384 ounces divided by however many ounce scoops you're going to serve, 5, 6, 10, 12, whichever. I'm going to use 5 ounces. So 384 ounces divided by 5 ounces equals 76.8 servings, or customers. So we'll say 76 just to make it even. 76 servings times whatever your price is, $3.50, $5, $7, whichever. So 76 times, we'll use $3.50, is $266 on that one 3-gallon tub. And then, of course, minus your mix that you use, your cookies, your candies, whichever. So that's how you do the calculation on how many servings you can get out of your 3-gallon tub.
Great. Can I get O-rings locally from like an Ace Hardware store or a Lowe's? So I believe you can, but our O-rings are FDA approved. Mm-hmm. They're sized to fit our machine. They're food grade quality, so if you have an inspection, you're not going to fail that inspection. They also last a lot longer. We've noticed that the ones that are not from us seem to deteriorate a little quicker, so you'll be replacing those O-rings sooner than later. I would definitely recommend sticking with ours.
Yeah, and if the health department finds out you're not using food grade O-rings, they're gonna shut you down. Yeah, mm-hmm. But thankfully, you can always get O-rings super fast. I think you should follow that up with your last question.
Yeah, how soon can I get my parts? We typically ship out UPS Ground and FedEx second day. However, we can ship out next day air, second day, 3-day select. Any shipping that you would like to pay for, we can ship. We also now have available Saturday delivery residential. So if your shop is closed and you need to get your part, just have it shipped to your house. They have Saturday delivery now with FedEx.
Yeah, I think you noticed that. You said that if it's a residential address, she said that it can be delivered there on a Saturday versus even though your store might be open, Saturday delivery is not available. Mm-hmm. So that comes in handy. So it's good to know. Yeah. I think I'm just going to end it off with one more. And how do I know if I am scooping the right ounces? So if you have a 5-ounce scoop, I have heard that a method that works very well is you get your 5 ounces that you scoop out, you put it in a cup, and you have what they do a spot check with a weight, a scale on the side to check the weight. So you already know that 5 ounce a scoop is supposed, with the cup, is supposed to weigh 5.5, 6 ounces, however heavy your cup is. and have your scoopers periodically through the day do a spot check. Go and take that before they hand it to the customer and just kind of put one off to the side. Ooh, I'm over scooping. Oh, I didn't put enough in that. So I thought that's a pretty great method of, how to determine you're staying on track, because we all know everybody over scoops. So you have a 5-ounce scoop and you're really probably going to get 6 or 7 ounces. Did you have anything else to mention?
That was it.
All right. Well, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. I think, Steve will be very proud of us. Us girls did good. All right. Well, we'll see you next week, and take care.
Take care.